Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to find review articles using a database called Social Science Citation Index. So I am at the library, Leslie Library website. So I will go to resources and then click databases. This shows you all kinds of databases that you have access to from our library website. Or since I already know what database I want to use, I will click S Social Science Citation Index. So this is the database I'm looking for. This is great database, and I use it all the time to look for what articles people are citing. Okay. All right, so it looks like this when you click the database. Since I'm looking for articles about social emotional learning in elementary school, I'm just going to type in this keyword and then search, and then pulled out like so many articles. You can see it in here, but I'm only looking for review articles. That means literature review articles. So there are I think I talked about 3 different types of review articles, like review essays, systematic literature review, and then meta-analysis. I think when you click review articles, the database will pull out those 3 types of articles about the topic I put in the keyword. So social emotional learning in elementary school. Okay, so I will click review article, and then it pulled out 23 articles. So I think that's a good number. So I'm going to look at, there are 11 articles. So if I look at citations, that means 11 other scholars cited this article. This 5 means 5 other people cited these. And I look more, 4, 4, 11, 6, 4, 12, 3, 20, 31. So I am going to start reviewing the articles by that are cited more frequently than others. So I'm going to start this. 44 is good, like 60. That's a lot. So I guess I will start. I want to read this one, right? It also, I'm looking at the year 2015. It was published in 10 years ago, so maybe that's why the number of citation is bigger. Like a lot more scholars in the past cited this article because it was published 10 years ago. This one was published in 2020, and then 44 people have already cited. But I think I will go ahead and then take a quick look at these 2 articles. I'm going to start with this. Okay, so here gives you an abstract. I will take a look at the abstract first, and then to find actual article, I have to click this, and it will take me back to the Leslie website. And then I think you just follow the instruction. And then you'll be able to find it. Oh, it showed up. So I can download the article from here. Okay. Also, I want to show you that it has like a tab that says export. So you can export this information about this article to all this kind of software. Since I use Zotero, Zotero will allow me to export this reference using the RIS format. So I just click this, and then author, title, source, abstract, or maybe full record, and then I export, and then it will go into my download file. I'll just click this, and think it goes automatically to my Zotero. I just click this, and it will show up. It's gonna take a long time, so I may have to finish because I have a lot of references here. Oh, it showed up. So still not here, but it should show up in here. It says it's importing. Okay, this is the article I just exported. So I'm back to social science index. For this assignment, I ask you to just to pick one article. So but in the future, you can start when you're researching a topic. I suggest you to start looking for review articles as I did, and then start browsing several articles, and then find the ones that fit your research interest the most. So I didn't refer to this number. So in addition to how many people have cited this particular each article, it also shows you how many references each article has. So it's also beneficial to download the article that you like, and then also look at the references that they are using. Okay, but it gives you this site, a database gives you an idea of what popular articles among scholars on the topic you're interested in. And then when you look for articles, I suggest you to look for something that have been published, that was published in past 15 years. Okay, so this is an introduction to for how to use social science citation index.